Arthur's point of view, Yunmin were on their vacation. Yoongi wants to fulfill Jimin's every wish. For that, he took him to Norway. Here, they did lots of fun. After coming here, Jimin turned into Benjamin and started giving him hard time. Yoongi couldn't able to hold himself after seeing Benjamin's side. He took him to the cruise. Jimin got more excited to come here as he's never saw a cruise before, so his curiosity is on another level. He ate lots of dish out of excitement. He doesn't wanna lose the chance to eat the dish. Here his naughtiness started increasing. Yoongi left him alone for a few minutes and he risked his life by laying on the cruise railing. Yoongi got mad and spanked him hard, but Jimin quickly coaxed him. Yoongi took him on a special place. There he saw some sledge along with dogs. He quickly went to there to touch them, but dogs started barking. He got scared. Yoongi made his and dog's friendship. Now they were enjoying this writing. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, kid, are you enjoying? Jimin happily, so much. Yoongi, it's just starting. I planned so many surprises for you. You just wait and watch. Jimin, I can't wait to see my surprise. Surprises. Jimmy is coming. Yoon, where are we going? Yoongi, to meet your relatives. Jimin looked at him. My relatives? But none of my relatives lives here. Yoongi, you will meet them soon, don't worry. Jimin happily, Otti. But by the way, Yoon, where are we? Yoongi, Tromso. Jimin, tomato. Yoongi, sudden face. Tomato? Seriously, tomato? Jimin, confidently, yes, tomato. Archim is taking classes from Jin, that's why he confidently pronounced wrong name. Yoongi, leave it. I know you will never gonna listen to me. Jimin, proudly, I always listen to you, Yoon. Yoongi, in mind, I can see how much you listen to me. Jimin wins, Yoon. Yoongi, now what happened to you? Jimin, see, the dogs stopped pulling the Santa Claus vehicle. Yoongi, they stopped because we reached at our destination. Now step down. Jimin, stubbornly, no, I wanna ride more. Yoongi stepped down and started walking. Okay, as you wish. Jimin to dogs. Hey, you, start running again. The Prince of Busan wanna ride more. He was giving them order in full the Prince of Busan's attitude, but dogs looked at him and started barking. They are Siberian husky dogs. Their lifespan is 16 to 20 years. Just look at their tongue. How long tongue they have. They are looking so scary. Poor Jim. Well, I'm not afraid of dogs, but they can easily make anyone afraid. Jimin got scared and immediately ran to Yoongi while shouting, Oma! Yoongi, while walking, what happened to you? Why did you come here? You wanna ride more, na? Jimin hugged him tightly and pretended to not scared. Oh yeah, I came here for you. I know you can't do anything without my help, na. That's why I came here to help you to find the right way. Yoongi stopped and looked at him. Yeah, I can see who isn't scared. If you aren't scared, then why are you hugging me? Jimin looked at the dog who were glaring at him. I hugged him more tightly. I'm trying to protect you from the cold. Yoongi, but I'm not feeling cold. Jimin, you felt, but you don't know. Yoongi, and you know that. Jimin, of course I do. I know you better than you know yourself. By the way, where are we going? Yoongi, I told you now, we are going to meet your relatives. Can't you wait for few minutes? Your relatives are very royal like you. They can't come here to meet you. We have to go there for meeting them. Jimin, stop na. I know none of my relatives live here. Yoongi, what if I prove you then? Jimin, then I will do whatever you say. Yoongi, think again, kid. Jimin thinks again. I I will do everything, but you can't stop me to eat my tasty dishes. Yoongi, you always think about food now, except it. There is nothing in your princess brain, right? Jimin, food is life na. Don't eye on my precious food. Yoongi, okay, but accept your food. Jimin, promise. Yoongi, yeah, accept your precious food. You have to do one thing which I tell you to do. Jimin, okay. Yoongi, smirked. Very soon you will gonna regret over it. Jimin, did you see anything? Yoongi, nothing. Let's go, your relatives are waiting for us. I can't let my in-laws wait for us. They both started walking. Jimin was so amazed to see the views. This place was fully covered by snow. Finally, they reached their destination. Yoongi stopped Jimin at somewhere near the shop and went to buy something for him. Jimin, hey, where are you going? Yoongi, to bring something. Don't go anywhere, okay? Left. Jimin, where do I go? I can't even walk properly due to snow, and you are saying don't go anywhere? By the way, what could he be by? Yeah, I know. He went to bring coffee for me. Here's too cold. Drinking hot coffee here is the best idea. Looked at his legs who were half covered into the snow. Here is too much ice. Hey, can you ice come with me at our home? I want to show you to Jimmy. Jimmy is my family member. He lives in our house. You brought him for me. You know, he's so talkative. Whole day he talked a lot with me. He was busy in talking with Snow, and Yoongi came there by hiding something behind his back. Yoongi, I knew it. You must be talking with Snow. Jimin turned to him. Yeah, I'm convincing them to come with us to our home so that Jimmy can also see them. Yoongi, no need. Jimmy, no. How Snow look like? Jimin looked at his hands. What are you hiding behind your back? Yoongi, it's none of your business. You just close your eyes fast. Jimin, close my eyes, but pee. Yoongi, because it's here's rule. Now onwards you have to walk while closing your eyes. Jimin, I know you are kidding me. This time you can't make me fool. I have bean-sized brain, said proudly. Yoongi, your bean-sized brain started working on wrong time. Now close your eyes. Jimin, stubbornly, no, I won't. Yoongi, I knew it. You won't listen to me. That's why I came here with full planning. Jimin screamed his lungs out. Ah! What are you doing? Yoongi tied a blindfold in Jimin's eyes and removed his long coat and made him wear something. Jimin was screaming because he can't see anything. People who were there were cooking at them because Jimin was looking too adorable. Yoongi, my poor ears, stop shouting. What will my in-laws think about me? I don't want to spoil my image in front of them. Jimin, I will tell them how bad son-in-law you are. You made me blind. Don't talk to me. I won't go anywhere with you. Yoongi, as you wish, but I can see dogs are coming here. They are looking so scary. Jimin started running, but because of excessive snow, he can't run. Oma! Yoongi held his hand. Now come with me. Oma can't come here to protect you. That's why she made you marry with me. Trust me, I will safely take you to your relatives. Now stop pouting and come with me. Jimin, I'm walking since we come here. Where do my relative lives and why is their house so far? Yoongi, while walking, because they are special now. Don't worry, we are so close. Just few more steps, then you can meet with them. Yoongi took him near the lake and removed his blindfold. Beautiful, right? Jimin opened his eyes and saw the place. Wow! It's so beautiful. But where are my relatives? Yoongi, just wait a second. Blew the whistle. Now again see. Jimin, irritated. What do I say? There is no too stunned to say anything. Note, you can't see any penguin in Tromsø. Expect in June. I add them here because of Jimin. If you wanna see penguins, then you have to go New Zealand. Finally, our Jim's relatives are here. Be a good breeder and say hello to them. As soon as Yoongi blew the whistle, lots of penguins started coming towards them. I don't know why. Did they respond on Yoongi's whistle? Maybe they wanna help their one and only son-in-law. You never know. No one can say to no or cat. They remind me are worldwide handsome. Don't tell me our Jim's relatives and our worldwide handsome Jin's relatives are same. Yoongi, both 90-degree, Anyogasigo, I'm your one and only son-in-law. See, I brought your long-lost baby to you. Looked at Jimin. Jimin, what are you doing? Say hello to your relatives. Jimin looked at Yoongi with dumbfounded. Huh? Yoongi shook him hard. Jimin, see, your relatives are waiting for you. Jimin finally realized and screamed, OMG, OMG, Yoon! I never see penguins in real. I always want to see them. Can I go and touch them, please? Yoongi, of course you can, but be careful. Jimin carefully went closer to them, and all the penguins gathered around Jimin because he was wearing big penguin outfit. They thought him as one of them. Yoongi walked a little far away because he doesn't want to scare them. Jimin picked a small baby penguin on his left palm and clicked a selfie with them. Baby penguins' parrots were standing behind them. They were so happy. Yoongi told him to sit between them so that he can click his beak along with all of them. Our cute Jim penguin. Our Jim with his long lost relatives. I got these pics a long ago when we are on 30 or 35th episode. I don't remember the exact number. After seeing these pics, I decided to add in future. I will definitely write an episode related with these pics. And today I wrote that I'm so happy. Yoongi to himself, perfect. Finally, my little Jimmy met with his relatives. Just look at his face, how happy he looks with them. And these penguins, oops, sorry, my in-laws are giving me perfect pose. Look like they are also like my little Jimmy. Look at the sky. I think we have to leave now. We have to reach a special place before the night, otherwise all the fun vanish. Looked at Jimin and about to shout, but he stopped, seeing him happily talking with them. Jimin to baby penguin, you're so cute. I wanna take you with me at our home. Cookie will be so happy to see you. Cookie is my best friend, but I won't take you with me because if I take you with me, then what happened to your parents? They will miss you. My parents also live far away from me. I miss them so much. Yun is taking good care of me, but still he can't take my parents' place now. I know you also don't wanna come with me. Don't worry, I won't separate you with your parents and family members. You can enjoy here. I will enjoy with my Yun. I will show everyone my pics with you. You know, always everyone showed me their vacation pics, but now I will also show them. Yoongi shouts, Chimney, come, let's go. We have to go somewhere. Jimin coming. Carefully dropped baby penguin on the ground and bit them by and went to Yoongi. Yoongi, are you happy? Jimin hugged him tightly. I'm so happy. Thanks for taking me here. Yoongi hugged him back. It's just starting. 2 more surprises are waiting for you. Jimin looked at him with shiny sparkly eyes. Really? What's that? Yoongi, you will get to know soon. Now let's go. They were about to go, but a baby penguin held Yoongi's long coat with his beaks. Yoongi stopped and looked at him. Jimin held Yoongi's hands. Let's go, Yoon. I'm so excited to see my next 2 surprises. Yoongi pulled him back. Wait, see, this baby penguin is holding my coat. I think he wanna say something. Jimin looked at baby penguin. Really? Bent down and again picked him in his palm and stood up. What happened to you? Don't you want us to go? Baby penguin kissed his cheeks. Jimin giggled and Yoongi burned in anger because he still doesn't get a chance to kiss his mochi like soft cheeks, and this baby penguin got it in his first meet. Yoongi to penguin, hey, what are you doing? Jimin, leave him. Jimin, chill Yoon, he only kissed me. I think he loves me. Yoongi mumbles, why everyone loves what already mine? You little penguin, don't you dare to drool over my little chimney. He is only mine. Jimin, Yoon, what happened to you? See, he is so cute. Yoongi, he is, but we can't take him with us. Jimin, but when did I say that we should take him at home? Yoongi, because I know you will gonna say this next. Jimin, no, I won't. I will never separate him from his family. Give baby penguin to Yoongi. Yoongi carefully picked him. His feet tickled Yoongi's palm. He started squeaking their language. Jimin, Yoon, what did he say? Yoongi, he said my son-in-law is so smart. Jimin, really? And what about me? Yoongi, he said you are dumb and careless. Jimin to penguin, no, I'm not dumb. I am only careless. I have pea-sized brain, said proudly. Penguin again squawks. Jimin, now what did he say? Yoongi, he said to me to take care of you. To penguin, don't worry, I will always take care of him. Patted his head and carefully dropped him on the ground. Yoongi, Jimin, now let's go. Jimin wins. Yoon, can't we stay here for some more time, please? Yoongi, no, if we stay here for more time, then you won't be able to enjoy your next surprise. Jimin, next surprise? Yoongi, sir, next surprise. Don't you want it? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, I want it. Yoongi, for that we have to go another place. Jimin held his hand tightly. Okay, let's go. Yoongi, don't you want to say bye to your relatives? See, they came here to bid us bye. Jimin looked at penguins and waved his hand. Bye. I will come again to meet you all. Take care of yourself. Yoongi smiled and waved his hand too. Bye, my in-laws. I will take care of your long-lost baby. Don't worry. With that, they both left from there to their next destination by holding each other's hands. They were walking. Suddenly, Yoongi saw something and tapped on Jimin's shoulder. Yoongi tapped on his shoulder. Jimin, see that? Jimin looked here and there. Where? Yoongi, not around us. See, forget about it. You won't understand. Turned his face to make him see. See that? Jimin, wow, this much big rainbow. You know, I never saw this much big rainbow ever in my life. It's so beautiful, nah? Yoongi looked at Jimin's happy face. Yes, it's so beautiful. Jimin turned to him. Why are you looking at me? Rainbow is on the sky, not on my face. Yoongi wisely changed the topic. See, my in-laws came here to see us off. See, I add our sunshine too now. How can forget about him? So what if he hasn't entered in the story yet? He's also the part of the story. Jimin, Yoon, this big one is Chiniyangi, after that Juniyangi, then Sir T, then my cookie, then me, and last one is you, and our was sunshine, rainbow. Yoongi, everything is fine, but change either that bunny boy's place or yours. Jimin, P. Yoongi, because I don't like him, so change his place. Jimin, whatever, he is my best friend. I won't change anyone's place. They all are looking perfect. Yoongi, one day I will kick out that bunny boy. Jimin, that day will never come. Yoongi looked at somewhere. See, what is your sister and my sister-in-law doing? Jimin, confused. But I don't have any sister. Yoongi, you have. Jimin widened eyes. That means Soma and adopted a girl child even after having me. Aren't I enough for them? Yoongi hit on his head. Give some rest to your pea-sized brain. I already stopped working. Jimin, while rubbing his head, why did you hit me? Yoongi turned his face to the side. See, your sister. He made him see a penguin who was walking, then fell into water. Meet her twin sister and young sister-in-law. Jimin, she's so cute. Yoongi, she's just like you. Jimin, like me, you mean cute, right? Yoongi, no, careless. You also run here and there blindly, then fall. She's exactly like you. She is waving in her old world and didn't see the water and fell. You didn't left any stone unturned to hurt yourself. Jimin wins hard. No, I'm not. It happened accidentally. It's not my mistake, na. Yoongi, right, it's not your mistake. You himself invited the trouble for yourself. Jimin, no, I don't. Yoongi, yes, you do. And here we go again. They both again started bickering. They are never gonna change. Let them bickering with each other. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How was Yoongi's surprise visit to Penguin? What can be Yoongi's next two surprises for his little Jimmy? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. A simple yet cute episode. I hope you all enjoyed the Jimin's meeting with his relatives. In next episode, you will see Tromso's best place, which looks like living heaven. Yeah, I know. I told you to add that in this episode, but if I add that in this episode, then I won't be able to cover everything. I will cover everything in next episode. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.